This is our latest addition to the Ford family of ride-on cars we sell. If your kid is ready for some rough, rugged fun, then check out our brand new, licensed Ford Ranger Raptor Police Edition 12-volt ride-on. It's suitable for children of up to 8 years of age or up to 128 cm in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, opening doors, official brand stickers and badges, functioning horn, and a safety belt. Let's take a look at the premium features. All-wheel suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. The off-road wheel design gives the car more grip on uneven surfaces. The working bonnet makes for quick and easy storage. 3-way key start with keys included. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child whilst giving the car more grip. It has a comfortable padded leather style seat. The transport handle allows you to easily move the ride-on from place to place. The 5-point safety harness gives you peace of mind that your child is completely safe. What is bound to get them really excited is the flashing lights at the top of the car, as well as the realistic police siren sounds that let everyone know they're coming. The Special Police Edition livery on this car has been designed to spark your child's imagination. The car also comes with a plug-in CB radio style microphone. The tailgate opens for quick and easy storage. The 2-seat capacity allows your child to ride along with their friend or sibling. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this car's onboard media player. Let them tune into their favourite station with the built-in FM AM radio. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all of our ride-on cars. The Bluetooth connectivity features allows you to connect a phone or tablet to play music. If you would like to buy one of these great cars, then go to our website at riiroosquad.com, where we offer a free 1-day delivery if you live in the UK and if you order before 1 PM.